Are you still wasting hours manually tracking invoices, digging through PDFs, and copying numbers into spreadsheets and hoping nothing gets missed? Let me show you how I built this fully automated system that extracts invoice data, logs it, and alerts your team, all using AI and a simple no-code tool. Manual invoice processing is a mess. It's slow, prone to errors, and totally unscalable. One missed invoice can mean late fees or lost client trust. Even if you're using Google Sheets, you're still stuck doing the boring part by hand. This n8n workflow watches a Google Drive folder for new invoices, extracts key details using AI, logs everything into a Google Sheet, and pings your team on Telegram instantly. No code, no delays, just clean automated tracking. Now you can see here we're kicking things off with a simple trigger. This node watches a specific Google Drive folder for new files. In this case, our invoices folder. Whenever a new PDF invoice gets dropped in, this workflow wakes up automatically. No pulling, no delays. Next, we grab the actual file using the Google Drive download file node here. This takes the file ID from the trigger and downloads the invoice so we can process it. Things are starting to get interesting. The extract from file node pulls text from the PDF. This is where we turn raw files into structured data. Whether it's scanned or digital, this handles the text parsing so our AI can go to work. This node uses OpenAI to intelligently parse structured fields from messy PDF text. You can train it with examples or give it a schema to follow. Think of this as the AI translator between raw data and business-ready info. Now, once we have that data structured, we send it straight into a Google Sheet. Every new invoice becomes a clean row in your tracking sheet automatically. No more copy pasting, no more typos. This gives your team a real-time ledger of all incoming voices, sorted, searchable, and ready for reporting. Now this Claude agent here acts as an extra translator that formulates our extracted data into a Telegram notification, which will then get sent through our Telegram send message node to our team. Since setting this up, I haven't missed a single invoice. Everything gets logged the moment it lands in Drive. My team gets pinged instantly, and the AI formatting is clean, readable, on point. The system just runs, and it's one less thing I have to think about. Now, if you want to build this exact setup or use it as a starting point for your own automations, I've dropped a free n8n starter kit for you in the description below. Feel free to go grab it. And with that, be sure to leave a like, share your thoughts with the class, and before you subscribe, make sure you know what you're doing, because it ain't easy being at the top. I'll see you guys next time.
Rising, hear the echo call.